Hi everyone. I just wanted to show you a couple of tools that I've been playing around with from Tonic Studios. This one is, well, you can see it's got Tim's name on. It was designed by Tim Holtz, and it is, some saws will know it as a thread cutter, but it actually distresses your paper. This one that I'm using today is a core definitions paper, which is brilliant because it's coloured on both sides, and when you scrape the black away it allows the other colour to come through, and this is just so easy to use. It's got a, I don't know if you can see in there, it's got a tiny blade in there, so it's safe for your fingers because it's within the grooves, and your fingers don't come anywhere near the blade. And all you do is you slot your paper inside that groove and rub. You can take it backwards and forwards, but it allows the colour to come through, or it allows the paper to curl a little bit and look distressed. And you can see just how easy it is. You can hear it scraping. And all it does is it ruffles the paper up on the end and sort of, I can't really explain, I think you can see it probably better. It scrapes a little tiny layer away, but ruffles the edge up. And it's easy. That's what I like about it. It's, you know, there's no effort in that. And the two raised red bits in the middle, it's like a button, but it's actually, it's indented so your fingers are comfortable in there, and it's as easy as that. Now the other thing that I wanted to show you, and I will carry on, I'll show you the card at the end of this what I'm doing, but the other thing that I wanted to show you was this tool here. And again, Mr. Tim Holtz himself and Tonic Studios. And what's good about this, it's this slider mechanism here, there's a very sharp blade there, not a blade as much as a stabber, a sharp prong, and it allows you to pierce the paper and put holes in paper that you want, you know. And I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. I've got a scalloped piece here, and I'm just going to indent in, and the reason I'm doing it from the opposite side with this is I want a little bit of this this rusty colour to show through. If I did it from the other side, the rusty part wouldn't show through and it would just look black, but this will just give it a little bit extra colour on the other side. Can you see that? And it's quite decorative actually. It's lovely. I'm going to carry on doing this and distressing the other side, and then put the card together and show you the finished look. Because I loved the look of the holes being poked through the paper, I just thought I would carry on and frame the whole of the paper. All I'm doing is I'm using a steel-edged ruler, and I'm just marking every half centimetre and actually poking the tool through it every half centimetre. It just goes through like butter. And the other thing that I love about this is, you know, you can actually hide it away just by using this slide here. You can hide it away, so if you pop it in your pencil case it's not going to poke through, because I've had so many things poking through, and it's quite dangerous actually when you put it in a bag, and it hides it out the way of the children. So I'll carry on down here, and you can just see how easy this is. And all it's doing is it's pushing the paper, pushing the card through to the other side, forming a little bumped raised part, and it looks like an embellishment. It's actually really pretty. I'll show you as soon as I get along here. A couple more. There we go. And it's actually framed the whole of the card. Can you see that? And actually, I mean, if you wanted to, you could go a step further and you could sew between the holes. You know, you could do some stitches between them. Right, I'll make the card up and I'll show you that at the end and let you see how it's all come together.